For today's video, we are trying to do a switch using a adjustable potentiometer if it will work. The potentiometers we are using is a scrap in an old car amplifier. So I'm sorry in advance if the potentiometer is not working correctly. It is because I can't find a potentiometer that in a good condition. So first I disassemble the potentiometer in the board so I can start with my experiment. And in this part I will test the potentiometer if it's working, but I missed to test if it's working good or in a good condition. I will start to solder the wire in the potentiometer. I will fast forward this video, it's because it costs too much time. And this is the result of my experiment. I'm not sure if many people know this. In this experiment is I will trying to do a 12 volts light dimmer using an old potentiometer. Thank you for watching.